The table gives information about the speeds in kilometres per hour of 100 vehicles passing a police checkpoint. So we've got, for example, between 30 and 40 is 2, 40 and 50 is 14, 50 and 60 is 34, 60 and 70 is 30, 70 and 80 is 12, and 80 and 90 is 8 vehicles. Write down the modal class, work out an estimate for the probability that the next vehicle passing the police checkpoint will have a speed of 50 kilometres or less. Make a community frequency table and graph. The police decide to fine the driver of any vehicle that breaks the speed limit of 75 miles per hour. Use your graph to find an estimate for the number of drivers the police decide to fine, clearly showing your method. Okay, so we've got the table here. The modal class will be the one with the highest frequency, which is this one here, this has 34, so the modal class will be between 50 to 60 kilometres per hour. Right, the probability a vehicle is less than 50 will be between these two here are less than 50. All right, because this is from 40 to 50, this is 30 to 40, so that will be 14 plus 2. So it's going to be 2 plus 14 divided by 100, which gives you 16 out of 100, which is 4 out of 25. Drawing a community frequency table. Now, normally in an examination, the table is given to you, just have to fill in the spaces. So here we have our table. Okay, so less than 40 is going to be 2. This one is going to be 2 plus 14. This one is going to be 2 plus 14 plus 34, which makes 50. It's going to be 2 plus 14 plus 34 plus 30, which makes 80. Then this one's going to be 2 plus 14 plus 34 plus 30 plus 12, which makes 92. And then adding in the final 8 will make the last one 100. Right, to draw the frequency, community frequency graph, normally the grid is now actually given to you. So basically what we need to do is plot the points from 40 and 2. So just plotting all the points nicely on the graph, taking note of the scale of the graph. 50, 16 is there. 60, 50 will be up there. 70, 80 will be up here. And 80, 80, 92 will be here. And then 90, 100 will be here. Notice that the speed will always be the horizontal axis, or the thing you're considering. The community frequency is always the vertical axis. Then you join the points up with a nice smooth curve. And then to answer the last part, the cars travelling more than the speed limit, which is 75 kilometres per hour. So on the speed here, you now have to identify the 75 kilometres per hour. So you need to draw a graph line up. This line needs to be shown on the graph, should be dotted, because it does say clearly show you're working. And then read off here, you're going to get that this is 85. Now, it's not 85 that are actually breaking the speed limit. The ones who are breaking the speed limit are these ones here, because they are actually travelling more than the speed limit, and therefore the approximate speed will be 100 minus 85, which is approximately equal to 15 cars. So this has been a video to show you how to do a community frequency question. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.